In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fade header scroll effect in Wix Editor. To get started, go to your Wix dashboard and open the site builder for the website you want to edit. Once the editor loads, make sure you are on the page where your header is visible at the very top. This effect is applied directly to the header section, so it helps to begin with a clear view of that area before making any changes. Next, click directly on the header section at the top of your page. You want to be sure the header itself is selected, not another strip, menu, or element inside it. When the correct section is selected, you'll see editing options appear that are specific to the header. From there, click the Quick Edit button on the left side. This opens the most common header customization controls and helps you get to the setting you need a little faster. After that, look to the panel on the right-hand side. Click the three small dots and then choose Settings. This is where Wix places additional header behavior options that aren't always visible in the basic editing view. Once you are inside the settings area, look for a drop-down labeled Scroll Effects or Header Behavior. The exact wording may vary slightly, depending on your editor version, but the option you need is the one that controls how the header responds as visitors move through the page. Open that drop-down and select Fade Out. This tells Wix to gradually reduce the visibility of the header while the user scrolls, creating a cleaner and more modern browsing experience. After applying the effect, click Preview in the top right corner of the screen. Preview mode is important because it lets you experience the site more like an actual visitor would, rather than just seeing the editing interface. Now scroll down and back up at different speeds to test the effect. Watch how the header fades as you move through the page and pay attention to whether the animation feels smooth and natural. Testing at different scrolling speeds is useful because it helps you confirm that the transition works consistently and without visual glitches. If everything looks seamless, then your fade header scroll effect has been set up successfully. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.